Hola de nuevo, chicos, chicas, ¿cómo te va? All right, looking at digital notebook. We're going to be having our digital notebook throughout our various units as we use our Avancemos curriculum. And essentially, you need to consider these digital notebooks as being prep for tests, quizzes, and basically just so we can begin writing, speaking, and thinking more in Espanol. And so this is really just a way to give you some feedback, give you some input, allow you to practice, and hopefully have a little bit of fun along the way. So, vocabulario, this section will start with that. And it says you're going to identify parts of the body. And there's a vocaroo.com recording. If you had me in class during trimester 1, we use Vocaroo quite a bit to make the audio recording. Please reach out regarding Vocaroo if there are questions. Definitely happy to help in that regard. So 2.1 ERI or preterite verbs and adverbios. It says write the sentences like the model with English translation. And Profe Celis has recorded some additional audio input here for us to kind of help navigate. But if I'm looking at Juan Manuel and I want to talk about he wrote something, so él escribió lentamente. He wrote slowly, right? Lentamente. Rápidamente. Alicia corrió rápidamente. She ran. Alicia ran quickly. So we're talking about things having happened in the preterite past tense. And so if you look at number 2, you've got comer. You need to change that to match ellas, tú, and correr. Gertrudis y tú. So you all or vosotros, or it could be ustedes, Manuela y Maya y yo. So we're changing those verbs to match our subject pronouns. And then here, ¿qué comieron? Di que comieron estas personas. Talk about what these folks have eaten, if it's healthy. And so basically, Francisco is the example in dulces. Yesterday, Francisco comió dulces, no es comida saludable. So yesterday, Francisco ate sweets. It's not a healthy food. Well, chocolate can be. But we have our examples down here from parte 5 in el libro. So we have our manzana, that looks like pizza, pollo, uvas, papas fritas, and ensalada. And so you're going through and bringing into, for example, number 1, tú comiste una manzana roja. And los chicos is your subject for number 2. 3, you've got nosotros. 4, you've got yo. 5, Diego y Mateo. Y number 6, you have Luisa. Ella comió uvas, por ejemplo. And colors, deportes, adjetivos, demonstrativos, this and that, these and those. There's some great audio cues here. So, for example, ¿qué casco prefieres? Es casco blanco. Which helmet do you prefer? The white helmet. Prefiero ese casco blanco. So I prefer that white helmet. And I'm thinking about football this time of year, right? We got the football season with the helmets, etc. ¿Qué casco prefiere Juan? Which helmet does Juan prefer? ¿Qué uniformes prefieren ellos? Which uniforms do they prefer? ¿Qué raqueta prefiere Mari? Which racket does Mari prefer? ¿Qué pelotas prefiere el equipo? Which balls does the team prefer? And I think it probably depends on the sport. But las pelotas anaranjadas, orange balls for, well, that looks like soccer. ¿Qué uniforme prefieres? Which uniform do you prefer? And ¿qué bate prefieren ustedes? And which bat do you all prefer? And it says el bate rojo. Nosotros preferimos el bate rojo, for example. So again, typing that content information, the helpful audio links here and here. It says using the learned demonstrative adjectives and your knowledge of colors and the verb preferir, ir I, change, answer the questions in complete sentences. And certainly look up any of the color information as needed online. All right. Muchísimas gracias por su atención. Nos veremos, nos hablaremos prontísimo. Gracias por todo. Chao.